Hey guys, computer expert 7v7 here, and this is my latest video. Okay, just gonna take a look now, and I'm gonna show you some of the awesome things that you can download and get for your computer at home, your own PC, or even Mac, which I clearly don't like. I'm not sure if I made it clear yet to YouTube, but I do not like Apple computers. I think they're okay, but I wouldn't even say that I like them. I'm not used to them whatsoever, and I feel like Apple's a stolen idea. I mean, I don't feel quite like Steve Jobs actually did a very good job. I feel like he done a good job in his own ways, but when I saw something that was comparing him to Dennis Ritchie for Unix and C programming and stuff like that, basically I thought that it wasn't good enough and that Dennis Ritchie is a genius. And people say that Steve Jobs is Jesus of computing. No, he is not. No, he is most certainly not. The god of computing, or the father of computing, is Charles Babbage. Now, Charles Babbage, he was the person that kind of designed or created, I'm not exactly 100% sure, or like, what's the exact word I can say? He put together the first computer that was able to actually run. It was actually not run as in legs. No, don't be stupid. I mean like actually work properly. But this Jesus of computer is meant to be our so-called Steve Jobs. No, he's not. It's Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie, without him, we wouldn't have really much stuff on computers to make them actually good. Now, we wouldn't really have the World Wide Web if it wasn't from Tim Berners-Lee, who designed or came up with the idea for the HTTP thing for the, like, you know, at the top of the search thing you get most of the time for your, when you're looking at on the internet and you want to look at a certain web page. I mean, yeah. So this video, the purpose of this video is basically me letting you guys know and telling you guys a lot of cool, although I don't really like to use that word cool because I don't think it's a good word to use. I'd say awesome things to show you or to teach you about computing, about computer science. Okay, so I'm trying to think of the very first thing I could tell you guys. I thought about making a web page creation video. That's all stuff on web page creations and all things to do with web pages. I'm not exactly sure what I should actually say, or what I could say to you guys, like to make it interesting or to make it exciting. But you know, YouTube is a fun way to connect with people through videos and stuff, and learn lots of things as well. But I'm just gonna say what I know already. And this video is going to be a special video on web page creation. So what is web page creation? Well, first of all, what is the World Wide Web? It's a vast vast amount of multimedia information, and it's stored on the internet. Okay, it's a vast amount of multimedia information stored on the internet. It's in the form of websites. Of course, you're all thinking, well, never mind, actually. As well as that, the websites are accessed by their web addresses. No. But remember, you can use a search engine by earning appropriate keywords as well. Not just web addresses. You can use a search engine, you know, like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Ask Jeeves, stuff like that. Websites. A website is a collection of web pages with hyperlinks between them. Search engines they are basically, well, search engines for user display lists of websites, and well, you have to enter the keywords into the search engine, and websites about weather in Paris could be searched for, or with keyboards such as, you could search, sorry, not keyboards, keywords. You could search such as Paris, forecast, and weather. Google, Bing, Ask Jeeves, Yahoo, ABC, these are all examples of search engines. A browser, on the other hand, is different from a search engine. A browser is a program. It displays web pages and allows you to surf the internet. It allows, yeah. Popular browsers are Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Yeah. Yeah. HTML. Oh, well, Hypertext Markup Language is a programming language used to create web pages. It uses tags. It describes the item on the page, obviously. The following HTML code uses the title tag to set the page title. Writing web pages in HTML is difficult and time-consuming as well, and it requires a lot of technical experts and experience. Web page editors, they are used to make the process of creating a web page much simpler and more, let me think, more simpler and speed up the process, you could say. Well, thank you for watching this video on web page creation, and I hope you learned something. Take care. Bye bye for now.